Hi everyone, welcome to our today's session. In our today's session, we are going to discuss that if we have a data set and in the data set some columns are having missing values. So if we want to hide or if we want to delete those missing values from our data set, so how to do it? So first of all, we have to select the all data set. So you can select it by either by mouse or you can simply select by Control A. And then after selecting the data set, press F5. In maybe some laptops, you have a function button and you have to select function F5, or in some laptops maybe the option will appear when you simply press F5. At the current moment, as in my laptop, whenever I simply press S5, the desired option or the desired dialog box open. And maybe in your systems, if if this option is not appearing by simply clicking F5, then try to do it by function F5. So then go to special, and here you can see that there is an option of blanks. So click on this option of blanks, then click OK. So as you can see now that the blank area has been highlighted. So now if you want to hide these blank values, so simply press Control and number 9 button, 9, Control and 9. So Control plus 9. So now you can see that the values that are being missing from the data set, now they are being hide from here. So now you can see that 12 and 14. So 13 uh, row is hide. Why? Because the data of row 13 is missing. Similarly, here you can see also 2 and 4. So the row number 3 has been hide. Why? Because the data set for the row number 3 has been hidden. So was missing. So by default, that row has been hidden. So let's bring them again. And now, if we want to delete the data set that does not have any values or that have missing values. So simply right click on it and delete. Make sure that do not use this option of shift cells up. When you do this shift cells up, it transfer your data from this to this folder, from this row to this row. And as the current moment this employee is working in information technology, so when you select this option shift cells left, so this will uh, move this particular employee to human resource. So we do not want this. So you have to select this option, delete entire row. So whenever you select this option, delete entire row, then it will delete all those uh, columns or values that are having missing. So at the current moment, you can see that this particular employee is working in information technology and this is in marketing. So now let's see when we use this command or this option entire row, it will uh, do the required task or not. So now you can see that it has not changed the department of that particular person. Why? Because we have selected the right option. If we select shift entire cell left, then this will be shifted to this department. So this is how you can hide or delete those numbers or those the particular columns or rows which are having missing values.